Chica and I are at Grande. Beautiful Sunday morning, light winds. We're going to try to catch some trout this morning. See what happens. That's right. Hey, a little flounder this morning. He ain't big enough to keep, but he's nice. He's fun. Could be another flounder or two around here. Who knows?
That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, what you got there? What you got?
What?
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying.
Oh! Catch and release.
Here,
Catch and release.
you get your trout? All right, trouty trout. Trouty trout. That's a good one. That's a good one right there.
Say what you said. Roll and slow.
Yeah.
Slash and slash. Trout back. A scoop.
That's a pretty one.
It is.
Really is.
Check it out.
That is pretty. Yeah, man.
Not rough, that's it.
Yeah, that's a snazzy one. Let me see. See what she's a good one. That's a 22 incher.
Wow.
22 incher. Yeah, get you a picture of that one. Come on now. That is pretty. This morning was started off kind of slow, and then we thought we were going to catch a real nice, I guess it was a big red, maybe a jack. It was huge, but it didn't bite. And then we kept working around, and finally Chica caught her a gator trout, 22 inches. It was pretty. So it really made our day, and we enjoyed our time. Nice and cool today, a little wind, and we're going home. That's right.